You now estimate, because of all this, is 68 years.
Welcome to this shortwave radio channel.
Another offspring, right?
So during the weekend I received this little cheap radio, this Retekess TR614. It is a AM, medium wave, FM, and shortwave radio. It is one of the series meant for the elderly, as they call it. And the only reason I purchased this is because they had shortwave, and while I was purchasing something else on Amazon, it came up as a suggestion. So this is a nice little portable radio. Sound quality is actually surprising.
Indicates that she has figured out how to make a living in the north.
Frequency response, strong audio. I can understand why they would call this an elderly radio, because it's extremely simple. It is similar to an old analog radio of the old days, as FM, medium wave, and shortwave switch on the front. It has a on-off button with volume control. Earbuds or earphones are charging on the right side. Of course, you can use this to hold the radio in case you might drop it. And you tune at the top, which is kind of nice. It has a nice looking kind of, fake wood finish, which is kind of interesting. Telescopic antenna, of course, no external antenna connector. And it is one of the radios that, of course, uses a good old 18650 lithium-ion battery. So this is something that I've been testing for the past few days. My personal observations before I make a full review that will come later is the fact that shortwave is kind of limited. Starts at 8 megahertz. I wish it would have gone down at least to 6, because it's missing on a large chunk of broadcasts starting at 8. But over that, of course, I've been tuning a few shortwave stations. I heard the WRMI station on 15770 with the Supreme Master TV broadcast. When we go to medium wave, it is a decent performer. Now there's a lot of noise because I'm in my office, which is not the best place for that. But it honestly is nice, a medium wave AM. On shortwave, what I've noticed a lot is FM breakthrough that is preventing some of the stations maybe to make it. So that could be a negative side to it. But it's a simple radio to use, and I can totally understand why some people would say this is a radio for the elderly. I'm going to continue testing this out, of course, in the next few days, and I'll give you my real review of it. Don't be too, wait for this, like this is going to be the next radio, because I already see a lot of its flaws. And apart from an AM/FM radio in my kitchen, I'm not sure this is going to be much more than that. But, it's a radio, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit what this is. It comes with, of course, a manual, instruction manual, and a charging cable for charging the battery. And we'll, of course, be talking more about it as I tune a little more signals. What is impressive, at least right now, is the audio. And the fact that medium wave and FM seem to be surprisingly good. It's really shortwave that might be a big problem on this radio. So, a 3-band radio, FM, medium wave, and shortwave, the Retekess TR614 radio for the elderly, as they say it. I can already say that the 618, which is the other radio for the elderly that I have here, is actually better than this. But we'll be checking that out, and I'll be giving my opinion on it soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.